You're not gonna react? Oh, oh.
What we do when we're bringing in groceries from outside. We put our cat.
You're a jerk.
What?
Could reframe exhibitions using this idea of intersectionality and the idea of Helen Woolsworth's
Nacho.
horizontal display.
Nacho.
What I love, Nestle Crunch.
He's inspecting.
3D.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
Hey. Shazam, open up.
Now, Sadie, now what? You stop it. Get down. Get down.
I need right here with me. I mean, I love waking up in the morning not knowing what's gonna happen or who I'm gonna meet. I figure life's a gift and I don't intend on wasting it.
Voila!
Did you do this?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, check it out.
Hey, oh my days, look how he can come up. Even it's a little bit open. No, down.
No quiero saltar hasta allá. No va a saltar.
Lobster swallow. Amante tok tok. Swatiro.
Oh!
It's a freaking shark with a freaking laser beam attached to its freaking.